A new clinical trial is about to start up at UW Health. They are teaming up with Moderna to test the mRNA vaccine against the leading cause of birth defects around the world. Joining us to talk about that and so much more is the lead investigator in this trial, Dr. Bill Hartman. Thank you so much for joining us. What an exciting thing to be a part of this new frontier of medicine. So bring us up to date on this. Tell us about it.
Sure. So cytomegalovirus, or CMV, is the leading the leading infectious cause of birth defects here in the United States, and a leading cause of birth defects really around the world. A search for a vaccine has gone on for over 30 years to see if they can find something that actively can attack CMV before it gets into your baby. And so this is really the first successful trial that to come to fruition. And so we're joining this worldwide effort with Moderna to look at their mRNA vaccine in women ages 16 to 40 to see whether or not we can elicit a response against CMV and eventually have the goal of preventing CMV from getting into the babies.
Oh, that's interesting. Just what this could do for the future of healthcare. So interesting. I'd love to hear more. Two other topics I want to get to. Let's talk about the sleep gummy study that came out. It's saying that there may be more melatonin listed in the labels. Initially, we were talking about children's sleep gummies. Two questions. Does this refer to adult sleep gummies as well? And how much off are we? So is it, instead of being maybe 3 milligrams of melatonin or 5, is it 7, 8, 10?
Well, it's likely to also be in the adult gummies because these are sold as a supplement, so they're not subject to FDA regulations. There's not really an oversight looking into the quality of these gummies. In the JAMA study that just came out, 22 of the 25 bottles of different melatonin gummies that they looked at had substantially higher doses of melatonin than what was on the label, somewhere between 74 and 300% higher in terms of the dosage. This led to a spike in the number of cases being reported to the Poison Control Center by parents, and is something that really we have to keep an eye on, because this is a common way that parents are able to help their children go to sleep.
Yeah, and there's so many gummies here. If you look at the list, there's so many available. Real quick, interesting thing here, the FDA has just approved a first-of-its-kind drug to treat a very rare form of Lou Gehrig's disease, or ALS. Can you tell us a little about that?
Sure. So to this point, ALS has been quite elusive in terms of being able to find a medicine to slow the progression of the disease. This is the first medicine it's gone through clinical trials to be approved by the FDA to slow the progression of ALS. It gives these people a longer lifespan, a better quality of life for a longer period of time.
All right, excellent. Thank you again, Dr. Hartman, for joining us, and we look forward to hearing more about this new clinical trial that you're involved with in newscasts coming up. So thank you. Enjoy the rest of your day.
Thank you.